Heidi ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here in the old den of tools. And today we're here to talk about Black Friday Makita deals. They've dropped this now, and we have all the Black Friday Makita deals all the way through the month. They're going to be spacing some of them out. Some of them are starting now. Some of them aren't going to start until the week of, Turkey Day. So we're going to jump through all of these and figure out what you can get now, what you can get there, and on top of that, where you can get it, because it's based on stock and participating retailers. So there is not one retailer that has them all. I had to jump all over the place to hunt these things down. So it was kind of interesting. So let's get into it. So first off, the first deal, actually, and let's go back here. Let's show you all the deals real quick. So we got the Black Friday promos. We got up to 50% off combo madness, $60 off holiday special buys, $100 off of combo kit specials, $100 instantly off of Circ Saw deals with free bear tool on top of that. Gotta love the bear tool deals. 150, and I should point out that the first one had a bear tool with it as well. $150 off instantly on lawnmower kits. People are constantly asking me out of season, hey, when are the lawnmower sales? Well, they're right now. And up to $30 off on pneumatic special buys, and some accessory stuff as well. So let's jump into it. And so we got the first one here. That's the LXT combo kit. So we can get that over at Home Depot for this first one. $250. It's down. You're saving $30 off that. Plus, you're getting a free tool on top of that. This is the 18-volt LXT lithium-ion brushless. This is the nice one, okay? Now, this isn't the top of the line, all right? That's the regular impact, and it's the regular drill driver. That impact, I have that impact. It's one of my favorite impacts. It's nice, it's small, it's powerful. As to the free tools, it's a huge selection of free tools. Oh, my gosh. You're going to waste lots of time trying to figure out what to get. Blowers, another drill, another impact, the grinder, the drywall, the router, the sander, the radio, the grease gun, the recip, the multi-tool, stick vac, another grinder. We got the cordless ratchet and the jigsaw. They make a fantastic jigsaw, by the way. So you can get any of those with this kit. It becomes a 3-tool kit there for $250. Now, the next one is they have a whole bunch of other ones, like buy the 2 batteries, like everyone has. They're kind of like, based like the Ryobi Days kind of deal, where you get the battery base pack and then you get to add a tool onto that. Well, then they also have a Circ Saw deal, buy 2 batteries, and the Circ Saw, you get a free tool on that. They have the get one free select tool combo here. These are the same brushless again, but I'm trying to figure out what's different. I guess it's the same deal, is what it looks like to me. As that one. And then you get the one here with this is the upper end one. It's $399. And this is going to get you the upper end impact. This is, of course, going to be brushless with all the little modes and everything. And the hammer drill with the free tool for $399 for $400 on that one. So that's if you want the top end, that's the one to go with. Now, we've got next up as far as the combo kit deals. Now, look at this thing. This is your one-and-done solution. 18-volt lithium-ion, 6-piece drill driver, impact driver, Circ Saw, recip saw, vacuum and light, not a vacuum light, with 3 amp-hour batteries, 2 3 amp-hour batteries, charger, and that sweet, sweet bag. Look at that. Nice little looking gym bag kind of thing. I still say Makita's got one of the best bags in the business. Hilti still tops as far as designer tool bags, but Makita's right up there. Now, with these here, these are going to be the brushed tools, all right? This is not the brushless, much less the top of the line brushless with all the programming buttons and all that kind of stuff. But still, for $300 for the Makita tools, it's a good starter setup. Now, we have to jump over to Acme Tools for the next one, and we're going to be talking, I think, about a whole bunch of this is their subcompact line. That's why you see them in black. That usually means it's part of the subcompact line. You remember, we're talking a lot about DeWalt Atomic line. That's been a big thing right now. And Ridges had a subcompact line for a little while. Well, these are all, I don't want to say Johnny-come-latelys, but they're Johnny-come-latelys. This is what has been like Makita's big selling point for a long time, is they've sold full power tools in a compact body, and they've been doing it well for a long time. So we got and they're all brushless as far as I know. So we got the brushless bandsaw here, tool only, for $250 over at Acme. Now we've got the right angle. This is going to be similar to Milwaukee's Whole Hog. This is going to be their right angle, the brushless there for $250. This is over at Tool Barn. Then we have to jump over to CPO, and they've got the combo kit. This is going to get you your drill driver and your impact driver in the compact brushless set there. 2 bats, the charger, and Makita does have some of the best chargers in the business. $169 for that starter set. That is a nice set. I gotta say, that's good enough for like the professional who needs some lightweight, smaller stuff, or even the home gamer who wants to step up to something a little bit higher quality. Now we got the circ saw. This is going to be tool only. This is over on Amazon. And get this. This is supposed to be the Black Friday sale on this. Let me jump back over here. It's supposed to be, let me get here. Where we go? Holiday special buys. We come down here. It's supposed to be $139. Amazon's beating that price at $134.17. That's insane. Let's see. And they do it on a couple other ones. We got this. There's the Makita. This is the subcompact recip. It's not a huge recip. It's not the most powerful thing out there, but great for getting into tight places. That's $139 on Amazon. We've got this, the Makita. This is the new one with the Starlock system. This is their subcompact brushless. Again, it's supposed to be, look over here, it's supposed to be $199. And Amazon's got it for $191. They're beating the Black Friday sale. That's ridiculous. All right. And of course, I'll have links to all of these down below because you can try and find them in stores. But, you know, I thought for sure that like Home Depot would have all of these. And Home Depot only has like a handful of them. A lot of the stuff is going to be online only. So we got the Makita XFD 131 18-volt lithium-ion brushless cordless half-inch drill driver kit. 3 amp power there. Nice drill driver there, $99. Now this was, I was excited when I saw prices like this. It was about 3 years ago. Post-Christmas when they were clearing stuff out, you'd see this. This was like the post-Christmas clearance price, and it's now the pre-Black Friday price. All right, then we've got the Makita. This is the Impact, the brother to that one, and $99 on that. And this is over at Tool Marts because they're the ones who have it in stock. I know it's weird. We got to jump around on this. Then we come back over to the Amazons. We got the subcompact drill there for $99 again with battery, bag, and charger. Now, if you want to get the 2 batteries here, the 2 batteries for $99. Makita batteries, they're not cheap batteries. I'm sorry, they're just not. They're great batteries, top line batteries. $99 for 2 of the 3 amp hour batteries there. All right, now if you want to go really small, we've got the CXT. This is their 12-volt line, the CT232 12-volt combo kit, 2-piece combo kit for $100. You're getting the drill driver and the impact driver. Now these are brushed with the charger and the bag there for $100. All right, stick vacs, you know, you got the batteries, might as well use them around the house, kind of stuff. Great for hardwood and low pile carpeting kind of stuff. $69 tool only. That's insane. I can't believe how cheap that is. Look they got a cyclonic attachment. I didn't even know they had that thing for it. Makita's got all the cool toys. You know, everyone thinks that, you know, Ryobi's got all the cool stuff. The really cool stuff, if you didn't see my Makita's coming out with a hot water pot. They've got a coffee maker. They've got the folding bike. They've got all the weird, wacky stuff. Here's the Makita cordless in white there for $69 there. And then let's see what else we got. Okay, now these are the ones that don't start until the 23rd. They run the 23rd through December 3rd. I think that's Cyber Monday here. So you're only going to get like a week or so of these deals. And this is the first one is the XT80, the XT801X1. This is the 8-piece combo kit. That's going to get you the drill driver, the impact driver, the circ saw, the recip saw, the orbit sander, the blower, the impact wrench, and the LED flashlight. I've looked around. You can't find this for less than $500 right now. It's going to be another, and that's on sale at down to $500. It's going to go down another $100 to $400, but you're going to have to wait until the 23rd for that. And the other combo also is going to be the outdoor power equipment, otherwise we call it OPE. If you hear guys online saying OPE, it's outdoor power equipment. And you're looking at the XT287S M1, and that's going to get you the blower and the trimmer there, plus the battery and the charger there for $200. Again, I've shopped around. You can't find it that cheap right now. You have to wait until the 23rd. And then we got to jump over to Acme for the first of our saw deals. Now this is the 36 volt right-facing rear handle saw, okay? So it comes with 2 batteries, comes with a dual charger. That's nice. And the nice thing is with these, because this is 36 volt by using 2 batteries rather than having just one 36 or AKA 40 volt battery. That way you can use this with the rest of your line and not have to step up to that unless you want to go to the, Makita's got their new, 36, 40 volt line, whatever you call that. Anyway, the point is you get this combo kit here, $250, and you get right here your free choice of Makita bare tool with select LXT circ saw with purchase. So when you go through that, they'll step you through and you can pick out the tool you want. Now, if you want the standard traditional left face saw, then you've got to get that's the XSH06PT. That you have to go over to Ace Tool. They're the only one right now who's offering this deal, $250. Plus, you get the bare tool with you. Get to choose your free bare tool, and there's your options. You got the cordless inflator, the multi tool, the recip saw, the compact router, or the cordless jigsaw there to go with it. All right, next up we've got lawnmowers. All right. Makita actually makes a decent lawnmower. In fact, they originally were pushing this to the pro market, and they've approached the prosumer homeowner market with these more and more. But you're looking at the 18 volt now uses, actually I say it's 36 volt. It uses 2 of the 18 volt batteries here. So again, you're getting the dual charger with that. You're getting not 2, but 4 batteries with this for $399. That's a nice setup there. Now, if you want to go whole hog, we're back over at Home Depot. And Home Depot's got their 21-inch 18 volt. Again, you're looking at a 36 volt with 4 batteries, their dual charger for $699. That's $150 off the regular price. All right, now rounding up, we got the Makita. Now, we've seen this deal before. This was going on just recently. We got the 18-inch or 18-gauge brad nailer there. Although on Makita, where I got to find this, they call it, let's see if they fix it. Nope, it's still the brand nailer. It nails other brands, I guess. That sounds dirty. Anyway, $69 right there. See, even Makita isn't immune to the old typo. And then we got a couple blades packs, or a blade pack here, 3-pack here, of the 24-tooth carbide-tipped max efficiency circular saw blades, framing blades here. These are 7¼ inch blades, by the way. So you're getting the 3-pack there for $20. And I think the price on that is normally, I think it was like $40. I think it should be like half price. And then also we got some impact sets also. Now they've got this one listed as being, this is the Black Friday deal. This is their 100-piece driver bit set. You're getting basically 2 boxes here, 50 pieces each, there for $19.88. It just so happens that Amazon also has this 35-piece impact bit set on sale for $14. So I just thought I would throw that in there just in case you were interested. Anyway, that's all the Black Friday deals there from Makita. This is what they're offering. That if they come out with any more, we will update you and let you know. But for you Makita fans out there, I wanted to get you this information because A, it lets you know what's going on, and B, how hard it is to find some of these deals. So I will have links down below. If you can get them local, more power to you, but otherwise it's going to be shop online for most of these. Anyway, that's all the bear has time for today. Let me know what you think of these deals down in the comments while you're down there. Don't forget to chomp the old like button, smash that subscribe, and ring the bell on your way out. You all take care, God bless, and as always, shine on.